أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed and you are watching Learn Quran with Tajweed series. Inshallah, in this class we are going to start Suratul Buruji Makkiyah. So before starting this surah, if you didn't subscribe our channel, Online Islamic Classes English for English videos and similar online Islamic classes Urdu for Urdu videos, so please subscribe both channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos. So now we start. Suratul Buruji Makkiyah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. والسماء ذات البروج والسماء. So wow we connect with the sin was and we make Ham's quality was-samai, and this meme we long due to alif madda because alif is coming after fatha, and also here is a big mad sign because after the alif madda the next letter is hamza, so we make madde muttasil which is madde wajib, and this mad we long 3 to 5 seconds. And the next is zatil. Zal we read in soft sound, and also we long there is alif madda. Zatil buruj. Ra we read in heavy sound due to dhamma on it, and also we long there is waw madda. Buruj, and on the jim we make qalqala which is the strong qalqala, so we say zatil buruj. And now we say again was-samai zatil buruj wal-yawmil maw'ud wal-yawmil. So this is waw lean. Waw is coming with sukun sign and there is fatha before. We read soft sound here. Similar in the next waw maw. Here is also waw lean. Ru. This is waw madda. Waw is coming with sukun sign and before there is dhamma. We long here. On the dal we make qalqala when we stop. Maw'ud. So we say wal-yawmil maw'ud wa shahidin wa mashhud wa shahidin. Shin we long due to alif madda here. After the tanween the next is waw, we make idgham with ghunna. Wa shahidin wa mashhud. In the sheen we make tafashi quality, like the spreading the sound of sheen into our mouth, which is called tafashi. Wa mash. And also hams quality wa mash, right, the continuation of our breath. Ha we long due to waw madda, and on the dal we make qalqala again. Wa mashhud wa shahidin wa mashhud. Qutila ashabul ukhdud Qutila. Qaf we read in heavy sound due to isti'la letter. Ashabul. Similarly on the sad we read heavy sound. Ha we long due to standing fatha on it, and from we read this ha from the middle of the throat. Ashabul ukhdud. This ha again we read in heavy sound. Du we long due to waw madda, and if we stop here, so this on this dal we make qalqala which is the strong qalqala again. So we say Qutila ashabul ukhdud, and on this kha we also make hams quality like Qutila ashabul ukhdud. And if you want to continue, so then this dal we connect with the noon. At that time we do not make qalqala then. So we say then ukhdudin nari. Right? But right now we are stopping ukhdud, and now we are continuing from here. And now we are continuing from here as we say an-nari, an-nari, dhatil waqud, dhatil waqud, an-nari. So we put a fatha sign on the alif for connecting, as it will be an. On the noon there is shadda sign, we make gunna, and also we long due to alif madda. An-nari, ra we read in light sound. Dhatil, zal again we read in soft sound, we long also due to alif madda. And on the qaf we read heavy sound, then we long as well. There is waw madda, and on the dal we make qalqala. So we say dhatil waqud, an-nari dhatil waqud, idhum alayha qu'ud. On the zal we make rakhawa quality, and also we read the zal in soft sound. So like rakhawa quality means the continuation of your sound. So we say hum, right? The continuation of our sound. So we say again hum alayha. After the mim sakin, the next is ain. So we make izhar shafawi here. Alayha. This is yalin, and here is alif madda. We long here. 1 second. So we say hum alayha qu'ud. Qaf we read in heavy sound. U we long. Waw madda is there. On the dal we make qalqala. So we say qu'ud. And now we say hum alayha qu'ud. And if we continue, so we make idgham with gunna, then it will be qu'udun wa hum. But now we are stopping, we say qu'ud. And the next wa hum ala ma yaf'aluna bil mu'minina shuhud. Wa hum ala. After the mim sakin, the next is ain. We make again izhar shafawi. Lam we long due to standing fatha on it. Wa hum ala ma yaf'aluna. Ma we long due to alif madda. On the fa we make hams quality. Lam we long due to waw madda. Ma yaf'aluna bil mu'minina. You can see this is not a waw madda because hamza is coming on the waw, and hamza has a sukun sign right now. So whenever hamza comes with sukun sign, we make jerk sound there. So that's why we say mu'minina. So neen we long due to ya madda. Bil mu'minina shuhud. How we long due to waw madda. On the dal we make qalqala. If we stop, so we say again وَهُمْ عَلَى مَا يَفْعَلُونَ بِالْمُؤْمِنِينَ شُهُودٌ وَمَا نَقَمُوا مِنْهُمْ إِلَّا أَنْ يُؤْمِنُوا بِاللَّهِ الْعَزِيزِ الْحَمِيدِ. Wama, this is alif madda, we long here. Naqamu, qaf we read in heavy sound. Mu we long, waw madda is there. Wama naqamu minhum. On the noon, this is har here. After the noon sakin, the next letter is throttle letter, which is ha. So we make izhar like the clear sound of noon. Minhum. Similarly, on the mim we make izhar, which is called izhar shafawi here. So we say minhum illa. So la we long due to alif madda, and also there is small mad which is called madde munfasil. After the alif madda, hamza is coming in the beginning of the next word. So this mad we long 3 to 4 seconds. So we say illa ay. After the noon sakin, the next letter is ya. So we make idgham with gunna. So we long here 1 second as we say illa ay yu'minu. So on the hamza we make a jerk sound. Nu we long due to waw madda. Yu'minu billahi. The name of Allah we read in light sound right now. Before the name of Allah here is kasra. That's why billahil azizil zizil. So here is ya madda we long here. Hamid, ha we read from the middle of the throat. Mi, again this is ya madda, and on the dal we make qalqala. So we say now billahil azizil hamid. And if you continue, so we say billahil azizil hamidil ladhi dilladhi, right? But now we are stopping, so we say all together وَمَا نَقَمُوا مِنْهُمْ إِلَّا أَن يُؤْمِنُوا بِاللَّهِ الْعَزِيزِ الْحَمِيدِ الَّذِي لَهُ مُلْكُ السَّمَاوَاتِ والأرض والله على كل شيء شهيد Alladhi. So zal we read in soft sound, and also we long due to yamada. Alladhi. Lahu, ha we long due to inward dhamma. 1 second we long. Lahu mulkus samawati. So mim and waw we long 1 second as we say mulkus samawati wal ard. Ra and dwad we read in heavy sound. Wal ard. And make sure do not make qalqala on the dwad like wal ard d like that. So this is not qalqala letter. So but make sure, because this letter has istitala quality. In istitala you have to read wal ard, right? You will know, you cannot say wal ard like that. So this is wrong. The next is Wallahu. So the name of Allah we read in heavy sound because there is fatha now on the waw. Wallahu ala. This lam we long due to standing fatha on it. Ala kulli shay'in. After the tanween, the next is sheen. We make ikhfa here. We hide the sound of noon and we long. And he we long due to yamata. On the dal we make qalqala. So we say shay'in shaheed. And now we say الذي له ملك السماوات والأرض والله على كل شيء شهيد إن الذين فتنوا المؤمنين والمؤمنات ثم لم يتوبوا فلهم عذاب جهنم ولهم عذاب الحريق إن الذين. Noon has a shad sign, we make gunna. إن الذين. Zal we read in soft sound, and also this is yamadda. إن الذين فتنوا المؤمنين. Fatanul. Noon we connect directly with the lam. Fatanul mu'minin. Again on the hamza we make jerk sound. Ni we long due to yamadda. Mu'minina wal mu'minati. Similarly on the hamza we make jerk sound. On this noon we long due to standing fatha on it. Wal mu'minati. On the mim we make gunna due to shadda sign on it. Summa lam ya. After the mim sakin there is ya, we make izhar shafawi. Lam yatubu. Ta and ba we long due to waw madda. Yatubu. Falahum azabu. After the mim again there is ain, so this is izhar shafawi, the clear sound of mim. Falahum azabu. Zal we read in soft sound and also we long due to alif madda. Azabu. Jahannama. Again on the noon this is shadda, we may gunna. Jahannama. Walahum azabul. Similarly on the mim is har. Zal we long due to alif madda. Walahum azabul hariq. Ha we read from the middle of the throat. Ra we read in light sound and also we long due to ya madda. On the qaf we read heavy sound and we make qalqala if we stop. So we say وَلَهُمْ عَذَابُ الْحَرِيقِ. And now we say all together. إِنَّ الَّذِينَ فَتَنُوا الْمُؤْمِنِينَ وَالْمُؤْمِنَاتِ ثُمَّ لم يتوبوا فلهم عذاب جهنم ولهم عذاب الحريق. And now we read this complete lesson again. So listen carefully and try with me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. والسماء ذات البروج واليوم الموعود وشاهد ومشهود قتل أصحاب الأخدود النار ذات الوقود إذ هم عليها قعود وهم على ما يفعلون بالمؤمنين شهود وما نقموا منهم إلا أن يؤمنوا بالله العزيز الحميد الذي له ملك السماوات والأرض والله على كل شيء شهيد إن الذين فتنوا المؤمنين والمؤمنات ثم لم يتوبوا فلهم عذاب جهنم ولهم عذاب الحريق. So I hope you understand this surah. Inshallah, in the next class we start the remaining surah. If you like this video, so click on the like button and share with your friends. Inshallah, see you in the next class with the new lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.